Hey there, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. I'm here with my mom. Hi, Hungry Mom.
Hello,
How are
everybody.
you?
I'm fine.
We are about to do another taste test. These are Trader Joe's shrimp pouches of many colors. Look at them. They're like
It's so
little,
pretty.
They're
Rainbow shrimp.
That's like rainbow
Wow.
shrimp. They're dumplings. You know, we all love dumplings.
Love it.
Lillians love dumplings. So these come in many colors, white, green, yellow, and red.
Yeah.
And I don't know if they all taste different, but there's 12 dumplings in this pack. 6 of them are 240 calories, 5 grams of fat, but 11 grams of fat for the whole box, but we're not gonna eat the whole box. What color would you like? There's
I
red.
want the red one.
Okay, you can have the red one.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna try these.
Oh,
I'll eat the green one.
are you gonna put the whole thing in your mouth?
No, I'm gonna just take a bite of half. Let's do
Okay.
half, okay.
Oh
Ooh,
my God, that's good.
that was
I
delicious.
love shrimp.
Like chopped shrimp with a nice chewy dumpling on the outside. I don't think they taste like they're different flavors. Let's try it. You try the white one, I'll try the yellow one. Put that down.
Okay.
See if it tastes different.
Really?
Or if it's just a gimmick. They all taste the same. These are so good. Like true comfort food.
Let's eat all of them.
You know, these are so popular, they're sold out all the time. But you can put this in soup.
Perfect.
They're a little spicy. You probably don't get
No,
that.
I don't like spice, and I don't
Okay.
feel it's spicy.
Shrimp pouches of many colors, we say thumbs up. Yeah, she'll be buying these.
Hey, make sure you follow me for more taste tests with my mom.